Hi everyone. If you've ever looked at a regular toilet seat and wondered whether adding water, heat, electricity, and a remote control is brilliant or just asking for trouble, this is the kind of upgrade that makes you think twice. Today I'm talking about the LEIVI electric bidet toilet seat, and I'm going to keep this very real because this is one of those products that can look amazing in photos. But what really matters is how it feels to live with every single day. Right out of the box, the first thing I noticed was that it feels like a more premium bathroom upgrade than a basic toilet attachment. The seat has a clean, modern look, and depending on the bathroom style, it really can make the toilet area feel more finished. The plastic seat is comfortable, the lid closes softly, and the overall design looks sleek rather than bulky or awkward. Installation was easier than I expected. The directions were clear enough to follow, and the unit came with the plumbing pieces, fittings, adapters, hose, and tools needed for setup. In my case, I didn't need extra hardware, but I did appreciate that the extra adapters were included because bathroom setups can vary a lot. One thing I would definitely recommend is checking your toilet shape before buying. Make sure you know whether your toilet is round or elongated, and also pay attention to the front shape of your tank. If your tank curves forward too much, it could affect how well the seat fits. Once installed, the seat felt secure, though I did have to tighten one connection a bit more to stop a small leak. After that, everything was fine. Also, remember this is an electric bidet seat, so you need an outlet close enough to the toilet. If your bathroom doesn't already have one nearby, that can be the hardest part of the whole setup. Using it for the first time is definitely an experience. The remote control is one of my favorite parts. It mounts on the wall magnetically, so it's easy to grab. And it makes using all the features much more convenient than trying to feel around for buttons on the side of the seat. There are still side controls on the seat for basic functions, but honestly, the remote is the way to go, especially because the side buttons are not always easy to see while seated. With the remote, I can adjust the spray position, water pressure, water temperature, seat temperature, and the spray style. There are options like a straight spray, swing or oscillating spray, massage-style pulsing, and even a stronger continuous stream option. The adjustment range is what makes it practical, because not everyone wants the same pressure or the same spray position. The heated seat is one of those features that sounds unnecessary until you have it. On cold mornings, it makes the bathroom feel a lot more comfortable. It works well, and it's relaxing. The seat temperature may not feel perfect for everyone. Sometimes it can feel a little too warm, and at other times you may want a more precise middle setting. But overall, having a heated seat is a huge upgrade from a normal toilet seat. The warm water feature is also a major reason to choose this kind of bidet. When it works at its best, the water comes out comfortably warm and makes the cleaning experience much better than cold water attachments. However, this is one area where I did notice a small drawback. At startup, the water may be cold for a moment before warming up. Sometimes it stays warm nicely, and other times the temperature can feel a little inconsistent. It's still very usable, but if you're expecting perfectly steady warm water every second, that may not always be the case. As far as cleaning performance goes, it does make a big difference compared with using toilet paper alone. I feel cleaner, and I use much less paper than before. But I wouldn't say it completely eliminates the need for toilet paper every single time. The air dryer helps, and the warm air feels soothing, almost like a soft breeze, but it doesn't leave me completely dry. I still usually need a small amount of paper afterward, so for me, it reduces paper use a lot, but it doesn't replace it completely. The spray strength is generally good, and being able to move the nozzle position forward or backward is helpful. Still, positioning matters. If you shift around too much, the spray angle may not hit exactly where you want it, and because there is a seat sensor, moving your weight can sometimes interrupt operation. The sensor is there for safety, and it does turn the sprayer off when you get off the seat, which is a good thing. But you do need to stay properly seated for everything to work smoothly. I also like the blue nightlight. It gives the toilet a soft glow in a dark bathroom, which is helpful at night. In a bathroom with no windows or one that stays dark during the day, it may stay noticeable more often than you want, so that depends on your setup. For me, it adds a nice modern touch, but I can understand why some people might find the glow a little distracting. Cleaning the bidet seat itself is pretty simple. One feature I really appreciate is that the seat can slide off the toilet with a release button, making it much easier to clean around and underneath. That matters, because with any bidet seat, water direction and daily use can make the underside need attention more often than a regular seat. Durability has been impressive overall. This is the kind of product that becomes part of a daily routine very quickly, and it's nice when it keeps working without constant adjustment. The remote works reliably, the seat feels sturdy enough for regular use, and the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing parts operate quietly together. I also want to mention support, because with a product like this, it matters. If something goes wrong with a sensor, filter, or unit function, responsive support makes a big difference. My experience with the company was positive. They responded quickly, were helpful, and handled issues in a practical way. That gives me more confidence in the product long term. Now, it's not perfect. The water may start cold before warming up. The air dryer helps, but does not fully dry. And the remote settings may need to be adjusted each time instead of feeling totally automatic. The fit can also depend heavily on your toilet shape and tank design. But once it's installed correctly and adjusted to your body, it becomes a very useful upgrade. Overall, I think the LEIVI bidet toilet seat is a strong choice if you want a cleaner, warmer, more comfortable bathroom experience without going to a full smart toilet. It looks good, the remote is convenient, the heated seat is excellent, and the adjustable wash options make it feel much more customizable than a basic bidet attachment. Just go in with realistic expectations. You may still use some toilet paper, the dryer is not magic, and installation depends on your bathroom setup. For me, even with a few flaws, it's a big improvement over a standard toilet seat and something I'd be happy to keep using every day. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.